We cannot have a conversation without talking about the penalty. What's your take on the penalty?
Very controversial.
What do you want to say? Penalty, no?
Well, this is my take. It's a penalty. Probably if it's taken against my team, I wouldn't be happy. But here is the case. Kwampoku had the ball first. So we share video ni critically. Also Kwampoku in your ball first.
Established. That one is established.
And then the goalkeeper also had the ball.
Yeah.
And then Kwame fell, or probably the goalkeeper fouled Kwame Poku.
Goalkeeper. Okay, so
in the penalty box.
Let's do it like this. Kwame Poku near. Grapman near. Keeper near. Kwame touched the ball. Keeper ne by him. Then keeper answer.
Ebe yi ball.
Banaha.
A trap Kwame Poku nine. Yeah.
Because the keeper answer na could see. So that one is far from the ball. Then the body touched Kwame Poku. You might argue it in this way. If you're looking at the position of the ball or who has the advantage of the ball.
Okay.
That is one question.
Yeah.
But if you are talking about contact, there was contact.
There was.
Is the contact enough if you situate it? The game now cost now. A controversy. No?
Yes.
If Kabon, okay, keep an insanka. And as a keep an insacra can a car, Kwame 9. As a time I keep an insacra born. Not Kwame 9 born. Any born.
No.
So if Kwame ni keep an 9 crab, keep an insana Kwame 9 bomu plus the ball. And or can't Kwame. That makes it more like 100% penalty.
Yes.
But what one?
Yes.
Good. Now in this case, refugee ball with penalty. Only mistake. Many refugee came in with Jinkomobi in the past. Also, there's nothing like a soft penalty. Just that the magnitude of penalty influence in a game. And they be our football fans per se is so obvious.
So we did.
Anything where there is an element of doubt, and I'm saying penalty leading to a glorious opportunity for a team, no, at December.
Yeah.
Sana way the anakwe. Sana way the anakwe. Sanke you play being a tackle outside the box. And in that situation, no.
Yeah.
Whilst another player fear chire, and then who can't Kwame Poku ni eje foul. Kamnyo so be abeka se referee the wrong foul. MC, do you understand that point? But and now said the foul creates a big opportunity for Kotoko in the form of a penalty, no. And when I did doubt, no. Abang. Like you said, the referee can award a penalty, but in contest, there is an element of controversy.
Yeah,
that was created by the referee. Referee created
the controversy came because the referee was the referee was not close to.
I'm saying there is an element of controversy.
He wasn't close.
That was created by the referee. Sport. For instance, baby, I know Gina and baby action the course. Number 2, line and page on the flag immediately. He waited.
That is where the controversy came.
Good. So what happened between the timer, line and the ball was cleared, and the referee in the budget. So we are referee. Now we take a swift decision. No one could contact. The moment you go and contact somebody or seek for further clarification from somebody, it creates the element of what?
Confusion.
Doubt in the game. But some ball we obi beka say obi no one can obi the defender and the goalkeeper. Refugee penalty it is not entirely so. There was contact. But a penalty was asked to other one at the time. I do 90th minute. Obia per penalty a one down. Penalty we one down. Me mechanic and one down.
I say time I didn't see. Time no. One. I didn't reason I didn't
penalty 100% convinced. But say and your man you did penalty dear. Ebi wom. Say kura corner yetimi bo corner. Na ball na fa wiem say. Na defender bi achichiri obi.
Penalty box.
Penalty box. Once there is that contact, ball ni ho. But you penalty. And I'm hubi.
Yeah.
So in this case, so aka se keeper na pia ball na ko baby. Nti yenyi ball no come on free ma. What about the contact?
No, but so over the whole kind. I mean, the perimeters are what they are. Why the controversies are surrounding this banning? Are you correct? Mm-hmm. The referee was, I don't know why, but Bono almost say golden kicks elusu Bono close to the middle of the stadium, the park. Minim the entire referee then actually.
Also study a line it TC park so. I say if you monitor referees,
yes.
If referee were actually align it to TC park so as long as all interfere with the area.
There be another referee the one. No. Nechi golden kicks defender rather nechi one so. So you wouldn't have seen clearly what really happened. And the lines in number 2 no a peja flag no. But also when peja na intem. Nti eba na say referee no at the end of the year now ogusu or dele nechi and then the whistle went.
So I think there was a communication. Maybe I'm catching confidence. I think there was a communication. Obi KBB. Actually, referee. Either line they catch and say penalty. That is where he moved there. But my point is, Ghanaian referees, only need the help of VAR. Okay.
Yeah.
Even if there's VAR, angles to decide will even be an issue.
Yeah.
But the point is, decision it is a controversial penalty. But referee is so steady. He lost the game. My man we name transfer. Zakaria Mumuni.
Okay.
No a yellow. First one was for decent.
Okay.
The second one on Messi ball could tia Lord Amwa. And nine. A beautiful game to be on could tia Lord Amwa without having any contact with the ball. That was a second yellow and a straight red card.
Yeah.
But in the scene, referee and foul. On my ball on the koi. Emma golden kicks in advantage. And son or sound whistle for a foul for Kotoko. Until some play on yellow count at that time while our ball na corner. And to steady, you're blessed. I don't know, bang line. And a bang home and draw referee attention. That is a foul.
No, but I was also asking. I don't
know. Where you play now? Otiana 9 so. When your ball. So if he was closer to the scene. But only my golden kicks one side the ball you wrap Kotoko half. No, we say. Which get the impression so being a goal scoring opportunity right there. What stop on? It just have a money yellow. MA red the pet. Akwakwe say
what's that?
But say I will be here replay be that moment it was a decision a referee yellow card, red card.
But the reason why maybe say
the reason why maybe say on the part of the referee.
Yes, referee someone to buy, you know.
And that was maybe because I don't have that.
Yes,
so let's not
yes. The reason that maybe says and probably that was supposed to be the fourth, right? And on the call, yeah. But the movement in was slow for me, and that is why these 2 incidents I can once plus other ones I see game, you know, he wasn't close to the situation.
Exactly.
Quite and then I'm confusion about.
Da Costa Usu 709
okay.
And now here no one is saying
a fantastic player.
Okay.
I loved him. I mean, and maybe
is it enough to convince you say we drew big club
for a player to play? Meaning how they tune their mind, but the whole team came like even if we are playing Kotoko, we are also players and we want to play and we can. And he controlled the midfield very well. I said number 10. Or Bobo no Odibo Echi. It got to a time, I think in the 63rd minute. Or Jina ball so Kotoko players 3 entry. I saw Samba. Now where you born not done and who done and one who see a Samba. And he was very quick to take a decision. And for him to do that, I believe that the confidence is there. You need to give him the time. And on you be or yakola. On you be or yakola because I feel what I say a war for he's been through the flanks and see from Division 1 to the Premier. No, I don't think there will be a problem. This time football and your age, it's about what you can do. It's about what the role that the coaches can, the technical team will give you. Normally, the amount out there, I believe he is fit enough. He is very good on the ball. And he can play any Premier League team in Ghana. So what you mean about golden kicks at this point, I believe that he can do it. A player with the supporter, network park so and run, not in Asante Kotoko, and the confidence is there. And so, what the new red team be more Ghana Premier League game, he will be able to make it. I am not surprised. Say teams in Bibrinano but I believe say and. People who watch the game is that the guy is a very good player.
Bless Ege. No.
That Langa guy was good. He reminds me of, is it Senenu? What do you mean for the bio prior? I've forgotten the name. Oh yeah, Langa B. Voter region. I'm saying to want to know if by.
Which is Senenu?
Senenu.
Okay.
Senenu was that Langa. You wouldn't think it's a Senenu bet me, but oh yeah, that midfielders are almost keep ball. They know how to pass ball. I mean, the whole team, like I said, came to play football, and they came very well prepared. Edgar isn't a bad player. He is blessed. He really did well in the midfield with Asante Da Costa.
Okay. So what to say? I'm on for monitor. Course, kwa mummy no one is saying. I'll bet me a record team.
We are talking about Kotoko midfield. And so if you have these players, give them the confidence. Let them know the culture of the team. And there is no way they cannot play. I'm telling you. Are they?
Oh, and of course. And
for these two players?
Yeah, for these two.
Okay.
Unblessed, a decision has not been taken.
Okay.
But he was noted.
Okay.
As Mayor Cosby, it was confirmed to me by Omomo Kebi Kotoko scouting.
Okay.
And not even in the course of the game, two of the Kotoko scouts, edge or two needing.
Okay.
Now, a meeting.
Okay.
A meeting. Meeting to brief the players about Konya Deno.
Okay.
Meeting in Yene. Meeting a bit my option.
Okay.
Then they will conclude on Ege. For Da Costa, they don't conclude that.
Okay.
But what I'm telling AAT for that blessed Ege has also been monitored and shortlisted. Asante Kotoko transfer.
Right. By the scouts.
Yeah, by the scouts.
All right.
By the scouts. Also recommended by one former player. Our Kebi
Okay.
I no cause a player I had there. Penifo did say.
As oh Bibi Kakra or a PFA for PFA edges or whatever. Or more. Menkase yo no. But or ne physique. Any city you see and Juma will fin one no. Or Bibi Kakra or to the end to us.
Bibi Kakra
ne born. Ne born. Or they compare Kotoko midfielder. If we are seeing 6.
Okay.
Chips are said making.
Okay.
What they compare now. As the chips are the Kotoko, no, so you'll be a or soon be brave. Now, or to Chabon man, a FFA.
Until my bedroom. On bedroom, I may add more channel paddle be meeting was secretariat.
Okay. I am penny for. Okay.
Now, in crying, come on, Mukodi, and Kumasa Diano. My bonnet offer.
All right.
No, must started the course.
I'm for now.
All right. Yeah, Twaso. Energy to energy. Transfer time. Conve. Yamba transferring who come. And Vakakre who come and Numre confirm come feature one can you bad. Course neighbor. The phones are calling. Well, Walid Neymar'S. And I may say what was gentreha. It was Jinidin. Once a normal is a house and a Kotoko player home. Now it's a Kotoko perhaps a pabos a ye. Cranny a bacope. May the mechanic send ye tea. Friday, I'm the Walid Neymar'S so could do store near day. A bremo. May Monday will be a cabby. Dear woman here. Weekendy. Had to folk on so many new structure. Tieme. Walid Neymar'S Kotokono. Si ese utwi bibia free soro na ade kutemu emba na ese bibia den bibi som nti so won se me start free house nya abotre ma me good weekend house mpanifo ne maso a meeting mentanya house stories confess mama ye bi na meeting no assurance now maso se onya free house for no and what ding now me adu much na so what that's right now what to say watara for technical director na sound sorry biemu a kai say so be me catch na maso adwuma na open no wo ye ne recruitment Enti obi say Eric ko say o de ye me ya me ko house me house stories. Die woman ye. Enti Walid de me kan Friday na maso na nsi bibi so nti no ne Walid de e kasa. Na Friday na Asante Kotoko company for. Me dodo wura mu no na mkonya ante se na Francis Akwa Haruna Dari na say Walid babi. Na Kotoko company for a Walid so dia e ready na Kototi office e twen Walid wamba. Say video call na Apinkra ye ni nyina na Walid so dia den account. Ntina Kotoko company for apalai. We can no ma palai. Ewo Walid Neymar'S so. Pa say abrante. E dey no. Wa ba ukodi sala ye ja kwan. Ko Kotoko jam Walid kwan. Ukodi sala. Ama also ukodi sala ba. Walid cried na Kotoko nim say onu kra na bi e be kontem on. Afia say on. Di omni. That's all on. Boy no de nim yenu na ehwe to am. Yes, na nim yenu no de ehwe to am. Name dia bani. Sh. Anadu koko ma me no so asi ho a na egina ho. Ye kra na ye so e no. News na ye say Walid e wo Kumase. Yes. Walid aba beduru Kumase. Die tie nie. News ne ba bonten sa Asante Kotoko company for so mo ya palai. E wo Walid ho no. Ne management. Panyini ba kwa ye core e de akwa Asante Kotoko aso e. Se ensam na ma bonten se boy ne ko house no. Omo mo de enye no kore. Me ka de panyini kan yo. Ba yeso ye wo ye source ayate. I say girl na catch us say nko an me do. But what find the phone we read the messages here then. One bibi enye pe. Two things. But Walid die. Enumere am no ka say wa catch Asante Kotoko company for ne management a catch Kotoko company for say Kotoko no bebo. Ti empe ma nko pe me yawada. To ochina mpo. Konvi ye da sorry. Na no pa me ba. Na me catch us say pe Walid pictures mamia. Na chere say we do secretariat. But me pese be kase we dey. Or ko secretariat the bra. Minya full dose of Kotoko ma tena we chana was secretariat. But ba ko me picking yes boy no wo Kumase a wo betimi akọ secretariat. O chana akọ wie with Nana Apinkra. Zo chana anopa me tena se. Na me catch us say me confirm amawa Jimidi. And then where they mean timing confirm ye. But my tea was in common air course and Kakram pick and say, Selbemana body among my yen and tem to a chenamum preparing a machia. But as to say, be basson on a panel, crow me the heading, me the bebro. No who the echo. Mamma da costa usu dieno. Mamma wa had a blessed ege dieno. Nam de Walid diena soso. Tia man copy me yawada. Yaman kopim dey yawada. Me house be come asem na me jakwan ato ho. Because o mu se me nansi bibi so se betimi ayo chena na o chena na mbamu e. Uku ada so Kotoko komensia. Maka kire so mo komensia. Se mensia nkomo na gi uku ada no boso nya yawada no. Ti amba so o chena yawada. Ti se wo ye den udi mti anopa no akonfirm. Me to aso. Ebere ni ho. Ni komanim. Kumasi Asante Kotoko players ni bi wo ha eno omobobo oni yana onum se omo time with Kotoko no aka kumabi akaden kumabi na players ni bi wo ha omo din no asem ma kirem I say wakofie na jaya mpesie ba okondo fufuo tu so fa maami esi fufuo no ho aba. So ukona onya maami esi fufuo na ampesie no eden umbedi. Ba ukona onya maami esi den fufuo na oba be ham ampesie no so saa. Be fa fast me judi confidence. Flow china betena ha. Betena MC dabre no edure numera betena ha. Enti de wo mnie. Elvis J Bafo ahuchi. Fernando Wisdom Bassi. Mrantie mienu. wɔn future egyina Asante Kotoko players a obenya so deɛ wɔn betwa na gu ntɛm so wɔn nya deɛ wɔn pa ɛyɛ ɔga boakye Vini sɛ Kotoko nya deɛ wɔn pa deɛ wɔn betwa na gu ntɛm ɛyɛ ɔga boakye deɛ wɔn mu nie tie me tina no mpɛ so wɔn yɛ deals ne ntɛm because maka sɛ mpanimfoɔ pam wɔn no obi deɛ ɔba ne yɛ dɛ ɛwɔ hɔ wɔn mpɛ so wɔn bɛ pam wɔn na afei na deɛ ɔba ne nnɛ ɔkyena asɛm so ɔkae. Foreign players Kotoko 3 ewo team no Utie 3 in Samba Onel Mohamed Kamara and Fernando Wisdom Day Bassi the ama Bassi ti keka wuche the any safe no and I make kachira wono Kotoko foreign players miensa abakurum ha miensa no omo be soma ho de den ahwe we catch us a striker back, defensive midfielder back, and then winger back. Winger matters almost to me laterals, but winger back. So foreigners means say Baba come and son on an saying, I ain't seen soon somewhere. What do I say? In Sian and some day, home. What could any man? Then I saw ga. You had Kamara near Samba, and I saw ga, and I would tea at that. You know so no. Now ga say na ochibe mienu wakoni suba henda danum wakom wakoni suba henda danum abrante no zito ba na ne nyoma bi asesa but the last 2 weeks watie sim enti mrante na eba no se Kotoko hwe omo no mo ye woke a woga bako Nigeria so gam sabram no kasai Kotoko oga nkosesi a obebo president cup na den awie ti se ebo president cup ni wie na mrante na mbronfo na aba no na amano ne fo na aba na koyi a na so oga beko ti Fernando Wisdom Bassi wono de flyer na Kotoko de ne ye ya na bag bi sisi ne ho a okuta graphic no ayese ogina airport a wo kwa no ogina airport a den wo kwa no because of this foreign player situation. Now, in Chiremunu Kratcher say, Sasa foreign ya bay, and go ye the Omo Penocrana, and no more, any the only foreign players I could square and monitor to Kotoko percent the foreign player slot no heading or open bito in case of any emergency. Tell them more ga. Say, I want a tickle piano and nim chain wine. Awuchi. A chain awuchi. Confidence time ya de chire me mean twitwa so ana men ka me se me mean twitwa so okay amere ni nyamedia bonfe o ma me sign o se mere ni nyamedia Michael Chejamana Andre ajete omo nyina nchiremu wo ho won se men ka se ye pamomo me bo mu di keke nchiremu wo ho ma me nkwa aduku so ewi ase no maka asem bi metai ka se bebia be bodin no bompa ye se ni papa wo ho meden on be ka bi ama wo tai ka pa ebi atome ye bo mi di wo ba bi mi tiri ye yie se nipa na ogina ho no odi mi ho adanse pa ene je me nya sa ka opportunity bi hwere me yes ebra ye bo Samson aduku din no nipa na agina ho no intem dwunafo abam for aduku betimi anya till January so nkyere bibi de me pekene no Samson aduku betimi anya till January so improve bibi ma fa akiri pa ma fa akiri 2 weeks ago there Coach Karim Zito there be 3 weeks before goal starts Coach Karim Zito yen clear say Isaac Minta Samson aduku awie omuntimi mboa no onda pepa no so na in common sesa in common eden sesa meeting because so or the no quadras. Now meeting us no. And the nipa ni bi sorry say imrantie. January ya na ede ye ko for mobile. Obu ha born and kaso won say den ya bi ede boy. Nti ye man opportunity bi. Na player no kran 1.5 near the momo. Mean tire say 1.5. Eduku ya 1.5. Into the emma busu means ya bi ede. Endi ani mo ni tem ni nye preseason ni mom busu means ya na ede yen ha dia. Because Kotoko team na da hono. Players nankasa enduru taxi. Say so strikers awa Ghana no. Dodo no yesen. De Kwame Poku no abetamu akyere ne kyere say dodo no wo fom. Nti denti na temdurafo no say denti ne nya abotre. Emma no. De aduku ho update na me ma no. Ne emma aduku entra mu to January. Na se amfa and the ultimate say waman emre. Tisabram no kase the future of Samson Aduku I say. Injina faako. Ekso ha na ekwa ha. Ekwa ha na ekwa ha. Tisanyame ye na dom. Na se bia Kwame Poku kwa. Se Kwame poste a penifo he se squad no mebiem. No mama ne till January. Nemum so mama ne till January akokobo ebebem. Enye say ija kokobo bebem. Emo hu say na we gina line ano. Na mframa bi na apia watum. Nti mo ani nda ho. Mframa nu odu, abase mu odu na apia mo ani nda ho. Ti sa nkomo no so no. Ebe pie so Samson Aduku ene Kumasi Asante Kotoko wo mo enhyehyɛ mu. Eno di efiri oba mede ema ho. Mranti ni bi wo ho. Mienu bi. But bre. Yeah, omodie. Na me adoma o chene numere. On say the nkofo kasafa blame ne just ene Frederick Asare. Blame ni Asare. Senior captain and deputy captain. Sound common no. Ye tase ne badwem bam. Yeah then, ye tase ne badwem bam. To the amen. Because the last time I mean say Joe Dim Gomono. Or see obed blame yen agin so woko. Me tasene because they made tea free hano. A different from the other me tea free ha. Just me tasene by dream. Na me man because the moment a team manager wa in brenya and them rant and be kasa say munsham secretariat no. I want the man who say muda ho. And they meet me a kebi. But Sabre they made Tassene then, but Jimbem. And to dear Mediama, Fernando Wisdom Bassi. Cheba for the pendant. And I'm a this Samson a Duku dear sweating amount. Because a boy be Tiam and now say Andrea Jete, Nediano. Oh. Because Kamara Dean in five. Kamara Deon Edding. Oh. She said back up near Jete now. Backup na sa je tamba e ble no so na mo nti on se abotre na e wo but chade na mrante ni Germany nti uta ke kase we ko awan ha no ade wa se mood no ti aduku mo amoba aduku bi amone ne nkasa kan che ni se faba but nyanwi but basi die ye enche ni be dinkra e wa Asante Kotoko konve ma yebi mi fa de aka nshot na men confirm fa ma tifo bye bye.